You live in Cobb County or you're considering moving to Cobb County. In this video, I'm sharing some ways you can save money on your property taxes. So this is Sonya Peterson, your favorite Georgia Realtor. So there are so many things to consider when buying a home. And in my experience, one of the things that people often fail to consider is your property taxes, which directly impact your mortgage. So in this video, I'm going to share some of the ways that you can save money in Metro Atlanta just by living in one county versus another county. As we've talked about before, Cobb County is just a few miles north of Atlanta. Now, Atlanta is located in Fulton County. But believe it or not, you can save money by living in Cobb County while easily working and playing in Fulton County. Number one, the average cost of housing in Cobb County is lower than Fulton County. So right off the bat, that's a savings. Residents of Fulton County over the last few years have seen an increase in their property value assessments. And this, of course, is directly related to the taxes that they pay. So Fulton County taxes are some of the highest taxes in the state of Georgia. Therefore, if you want to work and play in Atlanta and pay lower taxes, Cobb County is somewhere that you should definitely consider. And today I'm going to tell you about some exemptions that you may be eligible for. So let's get started. So our first exemption is your basic homestead exemption. And in Cobb County, that exemption is for owner-occupied residents. So if you occupy this residence as your primary location, you qualify for this exemption. And it's a $10,000 reduction in the assessed value. And that's in the county general category and the school tax general category. Next exemption is the Cobb County school tax exemption. And this is for residents age 62 or above. And typically school taxes are the bulk of your tax bill. That's the case in Cobb County, and that's typically the case in most counties. So this exemption will exempt you from all taxes in the general and school bond tax category. Let's do the happy dance for that one, because that'll save you quite a bit. Next is the Cobb County disability exemption. And this is a $22,000 exemption on all tax categories except the state. Now, you must be disabled on or before January 1st, and the annual net income cannot exceed $12,000 for the immediately preceding year. Now, this includes income of a spouse, but it does not include any income that you receive as a result of the disability. Now, your next exemption is your senior state senior age 65. This is a $4,000 exemption in the state, county bond, and fire district categories. You must be 65 years old on or before January 1st, and your annual net income can't exceed $10,000 for the immediately preceding year. This also includes your spouse's income. However, it does not include any income you receive in the form of Social Security or any retirement income. The next exemption is state surviving spouse of a peace officer or firefighter killed in the line of duty. So this is an exemption for the full value of the homestead. Now, in order to qualify, you must be the unremarried surviving spouse of a peace officer or firefighter killed in the line of duty. So that unremarried is extremely important. Now, the next exemption is the state surviving spouse. This is an exemption in all tax categories. In order to qualify, you must be the unremarried surviving spouse or minor child of a member of the U.S. Armed Forces killed in any war or conflict or died as a result of service-connected injury or illness. So now let's talk about how rates are calculated. So in Cobb County, it is based upon the assessed value. And the assessed value is 40% of the property's fair market value as deemed by the county. So for example, if the fair market value has been determined to be $300,000, then 40% of that is $120,000. So that would be the assessed value. Now let's say your homestead exemption gives you $10,000 on the county general fund. So you would then subtract $10,000 from that 120. So then your amount is calculated based upon $110,000. So that's what would be used to calculate using the millage rate for that particular category. So now that you know about these exemptions, hopefully there's something that you qualify for, and you need to go to the tax assessor's website and fill out your exemption paperwork and attach the necessary documentation to support the exemption. So, and you need to do that by April 1st, 2022. So go save some money. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell so that you'll be notified of my next video. Once again, I'm Sonya Peterson, your favorite Georgia Realtor, and I hope that I've been able to save you some money today. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.